Remember the strategies. Pause the video and speak out loud. Vocabulary, matter, particle, solid, liquid, gas.
You ever hear someone say you look like $1,000,000? Well, you do. But you also look like 1,000,000 particles. Let me explain. You and I are both made of matter. I don't mean we matter like we're important, even though of course we are. I mean we actually are matter. Matter, as you know, is anything that has weight and takes up space. But what is matter made of? It's made of particles.
Say that word, particle, and let's break it down. The root is part, a piece of something larger. The suffix is ical, meaning smaller. Particle, a tiny piece of something larger.
So you, as a big thing of matter, are made of particles. The device you're watching this on is made of particles. Your dog is made of particles. You get the idea. Particles are so tiny though, you can't see them. Just picture them as super small balls packed together to form an object. And how an object looks and behaves, which we call its properties, has a lot to do with those tiny particles that it's made of. Let's take a look. You know that most matter comes in 3 states: solid, liquid, or gas. Particles in a solid are packed so tight that they don't move, and they keep you from moving through it, like a brick wall. Now, don't try running through a brick wall, just trust me on this. But in a liquid, there's more space between the particles. That extra room between them allows them to slide around. That's why you can stick an object into or through a liquid, like dropping a straw in a glass of soda or wading through a pool of water. And there is so much space between the constantly moving particles in a gas that you can move around in them easily. In fact, when you walk from one side of the room to the other, you've walked through a bunch of gases that make up air. But if something is a solid, will it always stay a solid? Is a liquid always a liquid? Do gases ever become non-gases?
Okay, chemists, what do you think? Answer in the discussion post.